To attach the Anti-Scalp Roller to a standard BCS Flail Mower attachment, you will need the following tools: a 17mm wrench or deep socket, and two 19mm wrenches, one of which can be a socket. To position the flail mower for this procedure, pull the horizontal pin that secures the caster wheel assembly and raise the position of the wheels a foot or so. Then from behind the mower, pivot the rear end upward until both the red tubular frame and caster wheels contact the floor. Finally, slide 3/4 inch thick wood blocks under the side panels of the mower to act as safety wedges. To replace the skids with the roller, first remove the rearmost skid bolt with the two 19mm wrenches or wrench and socket. Then use the 17mm wrench or socket to loosen, then remove the nut, washer, and special bushing securing the front skid bolt. After removing the skid, reverse the position of the bushing by placing the bushing's flange against the side panel of the flail cover. Reinstall the bolt, making sure to seat the square portion of the rounded bolt head in the square receiver of the side panel. Install the washer and tighten the nut. Repeat this process for the other side, which will take a bit longer due to the obstruction of the belt cover guard. Next, remove the bolt and washer located in each end of the roller. Position the straight ledge of the roller's end cap under the side panel of the mower and secure each side with the roller's bolts and washers. After tightening both ends completely, carefully remove the wood wedges and return the mower to its original configuration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please know that we welcome your feedback and questions. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.